Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have another Whatnot unboxing from Toogoodz Diecast from Whatnot, and let's check out what we got on here. So first off, we have this Acura Integra. Now I wasn't able to find this in stores, but a couple days ago I was able to find it at my local Walmart, which is very awesome. I used to have one of these cars back in the day. If you guys want to hear about the story of why I don't have the car anymore, let's just say I was young and dumb at the time. So yeah, and then looks like we got another car right here. We got a 95 Mazda RX-7. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite from this unboxing. Me personally, I love RX-7s, big fan of them, and also the Acura Integra because I used to have a 95. This is a 01, I do believe. But anyways, guys, that's the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. And let me know what you guys think about both of these. And let me know which one is your favorite out of these two cars. Peace out, guys. Have a great day. Later.